Rockwest has an incredible inventory of off-the-shelf composite technologies for the taking, but sometimes the job requires something else, something that frankly doesn't exist. And that's where our engineers and designers shine when faced with the unconventional, the improbable, and the never-been-done-before. Rockwest can custom make whatever you need using the optimum process for your program. We can rapid prototype just about anything and do so very competitively. Maybe you need a total custom solution, or perhaps the job calls for a combination of custom and off-the-shelf technologies. The bottom line is, we'll find a way. The best and most cost-effective way to get your production rolling. Our engineers and production experts love solving problems, and there's not a lot they haven't seen. After all, their roots are in aerospace and defense, so they're accustomed to chasing the stars and creating products that have to literally meet out-of-this-world standards and specs. So if you need faster, stronger, and lighter composites to make your dreams a reality or your business more competitive, work with Rockwest, where everything and everyone you could possibly need is under one roof in an easy-to-buy, one-stop shop. Let's make some magic together.